Day 3 of the Bearcat 3600 watt generator box build, and just finished cutting out the intake for the air intake on it. Oversized it about 3/4 of an inch on each side to maximize that intake. And once again, everything will be weatherized. It'll be sealed. There will be weep holes in the bottom in case of intrusion. The other thing to be positioned is the cover on the control side here, which is right under here. So I think we got a good sized panel. It's not going to be the biggest one, but the important thing for the access panel is to be able to see and make it functional, so you can plug into that. Not to make it so it's the whole width of the whole unit. The smaller, the better. So, okay, it's all cut. It's rounded nicely, and I think it's going to hold up real well. Mr. X getting it done, cutting down our access door there.
Okay, Rosie's about to do the cut here for the generator.
Finish it off, square it off, and that's going to be for our panel.
Okay, cool.
Hands getting a little cramped. Kind of shooting into the sun here, but this shows the mounting now of the control access plate, which is looking really good on here. Give you a view in here. Everything very reachable. That's what you want. Caulk that up good. Put some really good protective paint on it. Be all set to go. Got the vent to the intake side plus the control panel side on. All right, it's looking good. Mr. X likes what he likes. You like those Smirnoff, huh? Nothing wrong with that. I like the color of it. It's cute. You won't mind if I stick to my beer, right? There you go. No, what do you think, Marshall? How's it coming along, huh?
I want to give a salute to Mr. X.
There we go. There he is. Cut the panel good, didn't he, today?
Yep.
Yeah.
Great job.
Ooh. All right, Marshall, the exhaust port has been cut on here. The nice match now on the bottom. Clean that up a little bit. All the exhaust is coming out good over here. What do you think? And we've got, you want to put that door on this, put that door on the side, show them
on the side, okay, let me get the door.
Yeah, why don't you grab that door and pop it in?
got here.
Yeah, that's it.
That's what it is.
Got a good access panel.
Access panel.
That's it.
Opens up, so I'll put it on
Right.
here. Show you guys. I'll go in there like so. You'll be able to
Get all of your controls. You get your power output there. You can manipulate your internal. You can check your hours,
exactly.
fuel level. So this will be secured on good.
Yep. That'll be able to
Pretty
get it
quiet. I mean, I want to go with.
Yep.
How quiet is it in the coach?
It's really quiet in the coach.
Really nice. Another good day's effort here. No problem with exhausting. I can certainly feel the airflow when it's coming
It's
in.
definitely going to reduce probably some of the vibration.
Yep. And some of the noise too. Coming together. What do we still have to do? We need to secure the base. Well, we need to sand and water seal everything really well. We have a top flight sealer.
Exactly.
Get everything sanded down and then sealed.
We're going to be using this stuff here to
Thompson's
seal
water seal here.
it. And
This
after
is
it's
the
sealed, then we'll
this
put
is the signature series stuff
good
here. This
sanding
is
and
top
a
of the
couple-
line.
Yep.
Good sanding and sealing, and then we still have to cut the top for the gasoline. We're going to be lowering the
Handles to put on
top in.
too. Finishing touches.
Handles for the grab. Yeah.
And also, you want to show them the clasps?
Yeah, we have
Similar
stainless.
stuff, huh?
Well, we have actually we have the hasps now for that.
Right.
So I don't know where they are. We'll do that in a separate
Yeah,
video. We'll show you how it's going to clamp down. Yeah, I'm really happy with the way that it's looking. I'm happy at the access panel. You actually have room to put the hasps on both sides, Marshall, so it doesn't interfere with the view on the back of it.
So we'll be
keep
using
this.
these hasps. We got one that are stainless steel.
Yeah, stainless for the
One is
front and
zinc.
zinc for the back. Yep.
So I don't know if we'll stick with the zinc or maybe get 2 more stainless steel.
Yeah.
Just for good measure.
I was just going to zinc the back and stainless the
Right,
front for
so-
appearance, but I'm cheap that
And
way.
then I don't know where the fuel fill is at. I was going to show that later. I guess.
Yep. Okay, but anyway, what that'll do, we can actually, instead of clamping on the back here, you could actually clamp on both. You have enough material to easily clamp hasp on both sides of this. So,
Both sides of this.
and you don't have to interfere with your back, the view on the back, in case you want to put your Assyrian flag or something
Okay.
on there.
All right,
You know.
we'll do
So,
it.
all right. Very good. Very nice. Nice sturdy box there. Woo! Here, ladies and gentlemen, just in case you don't think we got the king on the job on the job here, doing
Man.
that sanding.
I'm breaking the sweat sanding here on this custom box for my Echo Bearcat IG 3600E Canadian inverter generator. Again, courtesy of the chairman of the board, Norm F. And I'm breaking a sweat here today.
Got you working
with,
today, man.
Helping Rosie navigate Chicagoland, giving her a tour,
Devon Avenue.
and with me, she doesn't need a GPS. So
There we go.
now I'm breaking the sweat
So what are
sanding.
you doing now? You're sanding, doing some finish sanding on
yeah,
that?
I'm doing a little bit of finishing sanding on her before we put this.
Yeah, water seal this.
Water seal on here,
Yeah.
and we're going to put a little bit of this painter's putty
Yeah,
too.
we're
It'll
gonna
be
fill
part of the project.
Yep.
Yep.
We need to get her sealed up good.
That's
Need
right.
to really get those surfaces good and soaked with that water seal.
Exactly.
All right. Woo.
Woo.